What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. This week's video we're going to be talking about Lugnuts and hubcentric rings that I bought from Amazon, and we're going to be installing it on Project GR Yaris. So let's go. So currently we are using some generic Lugnuts that are in chrome. I just found those in the storage room. And then we also have center caps, but these are not the hubcentric center caps for these TC105X wheels. So here I have with me the Amazon sourced wheel Lugnuts, and let me just show you guys what it looks like. And as you can see, it's a black coated steel lug nut. It's open-ended, and it's actually a spline drive, meaning people can't just easily steal your wheels because they need to have a dedicated key to actually loosen this thing. This lug nut goes into the key like this. Very good quality. And the only way you can take off these lug nuts is if you have this specific key, which I am showing right now. We also have some hubcentric rings. So here's the hubcentric ring that we're going to be using. It's actually coated in red, which matches the car. I mean, it's not exactly paint matched, but at least it's still red. And it's made out of forged aluminum. The thing with hubcentric rings is that it prevents unnecessary movement of the wheels when the wheel is actually rolling. So this keeps the wheel in place and adds more stability to your wheel. Let's proceed with the install so that you guys can see what it's gonna look like. Here's one last look at the car with the center caps and chrome lug nuts. So let me know in the comments section below what you think after the install, if the new setup actually looks better. What we have to do right now is to actually clean this center area, because we're not going to be running any center caps anymore. So we're just going to be cleaning this with degreaser. Make sure it's all clean, and then we're going to spray it with some matte clear coat paint just to prevent it from rusting in the future. So we're using Vlaoschi flat clear spray paint to cover this area. Whew, it's a hot day out today, and while we are waiting for the paint to actually dry, let's go ahead and clean the TC105X just so that it looks really clean when we put it back on. Make sure. So as you can see, you have this bore, and this hubcentric ring is specifically made for that. It is the same exact size, so if we put it there, oh there. There. Sorry for the bad camera work, but as you can see, it fits perfect. There's that red ring accent over there, and that's the look that we're going for. And this is not only for looks, this is for function as well. This hubcentric ring actually goes here, like that. It prevents the wheel from having unnecessary movements, and it actually relieves some pressure off of your lug nuts and bolts.
A few moments later.
What's up guys? We are finally done. That took a while. It started raining, so I had to reposition the cars once again. But let me show you the end result. So here is the wheel and tire combo with the hubcentric ring and the black lug nuts from Amazon. I know the red ring is not paint matched with the color of the car, but I think it still looks really good. There's like a pop of color on the wheel instead of it being very monotonous. The thing I like about this setup is that it actually emphasizes how deep the center hubs are of the Wedsport TC105X. Because before, when we had the center caps, it actually just killed off the deepness of the center hub. So now you can see how deep it is. And moving to the front, it's the same. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyway guys, that's it for this video and I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. You guys take care. Goodbye.